Good morning students. Today we are going to start our practical number 3, that is oxalic acid versus KMnO4 or KMnO4 versus oxalic acid, practical number 3. As usual we are doing right practical number 3, KMnO4 versus oxalic acid. Write aim on first page, that is ruled to determine concentration in normality, grams per liter, and molarity of a given X normal H2C2O4-2H2O, that is called oxalic acid, with the help of dash normal KMnO4. When you will come in lab, I will give the normality. At that time you have to write. Now you keep the blank place. Okay. After aim, you have to write solution. Write same as 4 lines, burette, dash normal KMnO4, keep the place, flask. In flask, with the help of pipette, you are taking 10 ml of X normal, that is unknown, that you have to find. So write 10 ml volume of X normal H2C2O4 2H2O plus 2.5 test tube or 25 ml H2SO4 as usual. Right, give arrow, and in this procedure somewhat is difference. What is the difference? Generally we are not heating, but in this oxalic acid we have to increase the rate of reaction. At the normal temperature the rate of reaction is not going to increase, so we have to heat. After heating the rate of reaction will increase and the reaction will start. So we have to heat the solution which is in flask, means 10 ml oxalic acid plus 25 ml H2SO4. How? I will show you in demo when I will complete this theory. Heat the solution in the flask up to 60 to 70 degree temperature. You are knowing boiling temperature of water is 100 degree, but here we have to heat the flask. Only we have to heat. I will show you in demo, don't worry, but the process is like that, you write. Then indicator, KMnO4 always as itself. I taught you earlier in theories. Then color change at the end point, same as usual, which I taught you in ferrous sulfate, ferrous ammonium sulfate. Now in oxalic acid also color lays to light pink. Okay. Now equation for ionic redox reaction. Right, first of all, then I will make you understand. From KMnO4 cut the K. Okay, 2MnO4 minus 1 plus from sulfuric acid write 16 H ions. From oxalic acid cut H ion, you write only C2O4 minus 2, 5 molecules arrow karke. You will get as usual MnO4 minus 1 is going to convert into Mn plus 2, plus from above oxygen, hydrogen and here carbon, all they will unite and they will give CO2 and H2O. CO2 and H2O. Here you write 10 CO2 and H2O2 and you balance the equation. Okay. Afterwards, you write in this experiment for the complete oxidation of 10 ml X normal H2C2O4 2H2O, where V2 is equal to unknown volume of burette. When we will do the experiment, no, we have to note down the reading, KMnO4's reading. ml solution of dash normal KMnO4 in required. Okay, this comes in the page number first. Now come on the blank side. This is one. Come on to this side, blank side. Otherwise come on to the second page. You write observation, means you have to make a good observation table. Same procedure as you are doing, burette reading. Here you write final reading, initial reading, then a difference. Palette reading 0 ml initial, then first, second and third. Every time your initial is 0. Final reading, when you will come in the lab, we will keep the place blank Okay, so afterwards also we will note down the difference. No need of writing now, only you write initial reading, final. Afterwards we will do this observation table with the help of pencil, and after making means place you keep the blank place. Okay. Now in the second video I will teach you how you have to do the calculations.